What's up guys, this is Hammerhead and today we are going to have a quick review of Razer Hammerhead True Wireless Pro gaming earbuds. We will perform a quick unboxing while talking about the design, performance, features and all of its pros and cons. But before we start, if you are new to this channel, then hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. Talking about the unboxing, inside the retail box you will find some user manuals, quick start guide along with a welcome message, a USB Type-C cable, a pair of Comply Premium foam tips, a bunch of silicone ear tips, the charging case, and at last you will find the Razer Hammerhead True Wireless Pro earbuds. Talking about the design, the smooth curved edges, the matte finished body, the feed-forward microphone and the huge Razer logo on each earbuds give these earbuds a very unique and beautiful look. It looks stylish, premium and clearly gives the impression of a gaming earbud. Each earbud weighs just 5 grams and it comes with IPX4 certification, so you can use them easily for hours without worrying about any damage to the Razer Hammerhead True Wireless Pro because of the sweat, rainwater, etc. The design of the charging case is also very minimalistic and the matte finished body looks premium and beautiful. It weighs just 43 grams. You got a USB Type-C port at the bottom to charge the case and just a single LED for the notification purpose. At the top there is Razer branding and the magnet inside is pretty strong, and once you put these earbuds inside the case, they will not fall out of it easily. It comes with 3 sets of smooth comfort black silicone tips and 3 sets of secure seal translucent silicone tips along with a premium Comply branded memory foam ear tips. So this is really nice that Razer is providing so many different kinds of ear tips that you can use with the Razer Hammerhead True Wireless Pro. The Comply earbuds provide a very nice passive noise cancellation, a great fit inside the ear and long-lasting comfort while using the Razer Hammerhead True Wireless Pro. The performance of touch sensors is also nice and they work perfectly most of the time. The touch sensor on each earbud can perform 5 different kinds of gesture. So theoretically you can perform 10 different commands using 5 different gestures on each of these earbuds, and that's very impressive because most of the time you will find very less action and commands available on other headphones when it comes to touch gestures. But there is also one drawback here about which I'm going to talk very soon. It also comes with the auto pause play feature that is becoming a must-have feature on every earbuds and headphones these days, and the performance of this auto pause play feature on Razer Hammerhead True Wireless Pro is very nice. It works perfectly every single time, and if you do not want to use it, then you can even switch it off from the Razer Hammerhead smartphone application. We got 4 microphones on Razer Hammerhead True Wireless Pro for active noise cancellation and for the ambient mode that enhances the surrounding sound. Talking about the audio quality, Razer Hammerhead True Wireless Pro provides a very nice audio experience in every aspect. It is THX certified, so it is easy to understand that the audio quality of this earbuds is very nice. It provides very balanced audio output for low, mids and highs, and so does not matter what kind of music you listen, you will enjoy it for sure. And the 10mm driver we got on Razer Hammerhead True Wireless Pro also contributes in the audio experience, as even on high volume levels the audio does not get distorted at all. The Bluetooth connection is quite strong and the Razer Hammerhead True Wireless Pro comes with very low latency. It comes with a dedicated gaming mode that you can use to get 60 millisecond lower latency while playing online multiplayer games, especially the FPS one like Call of Duty, PUBG Mobile, where the audio plays a very important part. Even while not using the gaming mode, I did not feel any issue while watching the videos or playing games on my smartphone, and things can get even better while using the gaming mode. It comes with multiple microphones that contribute in reducing the ambient noise while making voice call, so you and the other person you are talking with will be able to listen each other clearly without facing any issue while making voice calls. The active noise cancellation is very nice for reducing the low frequency sounds. So while the Razer Hammerhead True Wireless Pro will remove most of the sound like of your air conditioner, airplane's engine, or your neighbor listening music full of deep bass, you will still be able to listen some other sounds like people talking, sound of the keyboard while typing, or the honking of the traffic coming from the street. The ambient mode is good enough to enhance the ambient sound to make you more aware about your surrounding, but the increase in the ambient sound is not that high as we have experienced on few other earbuds. The battery life of Razer Hammerhead True Wireless Pro is quite average. With ANC turned on and on nearly 50% volume, you will get around 3 hours of battery life, and using the charging case you can charge it 4 times more, so you will get nearly 15 hours of battery life on this earbuds. Now talking about the smartphone application, it comes with lots of features that you can use to customize and improve your experience with the Razer Hammerhead True Wireless Pro. So using the Razer Hammerhead smartphone application, you can customize the default action for each gesture on each of these two earbuds. And as you can see that the option number 1 is single press instead of single tap that we get usually on other earbuds. And it does not mention how long is the duration of that single press. So if you press it slightly less, then it won't work, and if you press it a bit longer, then the action number 4 will be activated. So this is something Razer must consider now, that instead of single press, provide the single tap. The Razer Hammerhead smartphone application also gives the option to customize the action for the incoming calls, and once again we got multiple options that we can select depending on our preferences. Under the equalizer part, we get the option to create customized equalizer profiles, or we can use the ones provided by Razer. For playing games or watching movies, the THX equalizer profile is the best as it provides the best spatial audio experience, and personally while listening music I prefer to go with either amplified or enhanced bass, depending on what kind of music I'm listening. You can also turn on or off the gaming mode from the smartphone app, or you can use the touch gesture for the very same purpose. Now talking about the gaming mode, the performance is really impressive, and this is what makes this earbuds a gaming earbud. The latency is very low and you won't feel any issue, any lag while playing multiplayer online games. Using this smartphone application, you can also update the software of Razer Hammerhead True Wireless Pro, and then there is a nice feature of earbud fitting test that gives you the information that the ear tips you are using are fitting perfectly inside your ear or not, and whether you should get another one. Overall, the performance of Razer Hammerhead True Wireless Pro earbuds is very nice and impressive. The audio quality is great, the latency is extremely low, the design is very stylish and minimalistic, the audio quality is great, the amount of options provided for touch commands is quite impressive, and it comes with IPX4 water resistance as well. The active noise cancellation is good enough, and the battery life is quite moderate. So if you are a smartphone gamer who is planning to buy a nice pair of gaming earbuds, then the Razer Hammerhead True Wireless Pro is one of the best options for you. So that's all for now friends, thanks for watching this video. If you found it useful, then give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel, and I will see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.